Well, hello there, and welcome back to Dead Heat, the show where VCs, entrepreneurs, product managers, and the like face off in a trivia contest. You see, not everything in life has an answer, but in the Dead Heat zone, there's always a correct answer. My name is DJ, and I'm the host of Dead Heat. And speaking of VCs, I sent some sharks in the Dead Heat zone today. Let's meet them, shall we? So, our first player is Keshav Bagri. Keshav is currently an investment professional at Bertelsmann India, or BII, and has previously worked at Acumen, BCG, and Goldman Sachs. Keshav mostly looks for investment opportunities in fintech, SaaS, and agritech. He is also the founding member of a Junior VC, a content platform for entrepreneurs and VCs. Welcome to the zone, Keshav.
Thank you. Thanks, Dhananjay. Pleasure to be here.
Awesome. And on the other end, we have Rohan Bansal. Rohan is currently part of the equity team at BLP Group and is an active venture partner at various fundraising platforms. Rohan claims he is obsessed with helping sustainability-focused early-stage founders ace their fundraising journey. Welcome to the zone, Rohan.
Hey Dhananjay, great to be here and super excited.
Awesome. Hello guys, how are we feeling today? Keshav, how's it going?
Going very well. So, good right now. Everything fine.
Awesome. Did you do your homework for today? Are you
Uh,
prepared?
Yeah, I did try to do some brushing up on, I think, geography and all, which you would ask. But apart from that, not much.
Awesome. How about you, Rohan? Are you prepared for our little game?
Yeah, I think so. I'm very excited and looking forward to the breadth of topics that you cover here. So, super excited.
Cool. All right. Let's not wait anymore. Let's jump into the game. But before that, let's go over the rules. Let's go over the format and the rules of Dead Heat. Whoever gets the most points wins. Classic, right? Each correct answer earns you 1 point, and there are 15 seconds on the timer for each question. And there are 3 rounds. Now, during the game, there are certain power-ups, or as we like to call it, flames that you can use. They either benefit you, called builders, or harm your opponent, called burners. All flames can be carried forward from the first to the second round. However, there are no flames in the last round. Let's talk about the 2 builders. Double points. Get 2 points instead of 1 for every correct answer. Answering 2 questions correctly in a row activates double points for each following question. Second chance. Selected the wrong option? Use second chance to choose another option in the same question. Answering one special question without options in the first and second rounds each unlocks 1 second chance. Now, the burner. Hijack. Choose any one of your opponent's questions, and your opponent loses a point for that question if their answer is wrong. Each of you will start the game with 1 hijack. The first round's winner gets an extra hijack. Use these flames wisely to win. Now back to the Dead Heat zone. Alright guys, I hope the rules are clear to the both of you. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me and I'll explain everything to you again. Alright? Cool. Let's jump into our first round, the bounty hunt. Alright guys, this is the first round, the bounty hunt. 5 questions each, 15 seconds on the timer for each question, and 1 point for each correct answer. In this round, we will ask you questions from topics that you're familiar with, so venture capital, finance, accounting, but we'll throw in some twisters your way, so some geography, some politics, some history, maybe something from the movies, to throw you off your game a little bit. Alright, let's start this round with Keshav. Both of you have your hijacks, so feel free to use it whenever you want. And yeah, let's get started. First question for Keshav. From venture capital. If a startup raises funds where pre-money valuation is lower than post-money valuation, it is called a up round, down round, bridge round, sunk round.
It's the down round.
Down round is correct. So we'll start off slow and easy.
just to get you on the scoreboard. Awesome. Next question goes to you, Rohan. From markets. How many public companies does the DGIA track on the NYSE and NASDAQ? 20, 24, 30, 38.
I would go with C30.
30 is right. Awesome. Both of you are on the scoreboard. I'm happy about that. We'll ramp up the difficulty from now. Next question to you, Keshav. From accounting. So what is the method used to periodically lower the value of an intangible asset over time? Now, Keshav, this is your second chance question. You have two choices. So if you choose to see the options, then you can't earn the second chance. But if you choose to answer without options and you answer correctly, then I'll give you a second chance. What would you like to do?
I can answer without the options.
Awesome. What is it?
So, amortization.
Amortization is correct. Awesome. Okay, Keshav, that puts you on a double point streak. And you get a second chance. Beautiful. All right, Rohan, next up. From finance. The formula for NPV is cash flow upon 1 plus I raised to the power T minus initial investment. What is I? This is your second chance question. What would you like to do?
Yeah, I'll go with interest. The answer is interest
Okay.
without seeing the options.
Okay. You picked interest. That's wrong. The correct answer is discount rate. That means you don't earn your second chance, unfortunately, but that's okay. No problem. Next question's for you, Keshav. From history. The Axis forces in World War II were comprised of Germany, Japan, and... Your options are Spain, Soviet Union, France, Italy.
I think it's Italy.
Italy is correct. Awesome, 2 points for you. Alright, Rohan, let's see if you can catch up. Next question. From venture capital. This method for company valuation includes which city's name? First dash method. New York, Chicago, Boston, London.
What was Boston method? C.
Boston is wrong. The correct answer is Chicago.
Okay.
Keshav, did you know that one?
Yes, I knew. I could have used hijack.
Yeah, you should have. Never mind. Next question's for you, Keshav. From economics. Which policy refers to the use of government revenue collection and expenditure to influence a country's economy? Rohan, you still have your hijack. You want to use it? All right.
No, not right.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, your options are monetary, fiscal, trade, labor.
B, fiscal policy.
Fiscal is correct. Keshav's on a roll. 2 points for you. Alright, Rohan. Let's catch up. Movies and TV. Which is the most expensive Indian movie in terms of budget? Keshav, do you
Can I
want to
use-
use your hijack?
Yeah, I can use hijack.
Okay. Alright, Rohan, this is your hijack question. If you get this wrong, it's -1 and you're back to 0. Let's see if you can save yourself. Brahmastra, Bahubali 2, RRR, Pathan.
I think I would go with RRR.
RRR is correct. Beautiful. Hey, you saved yourself, man. Awesome. Cool. Okay, Keshav, last question of this round for you. From M&A. You've gotten all your answers correct. Let's see if you can end this on a high note. When a company acquires a target company through a subsidiary or shell company, it's called a general merger, reverse takeover, multi-entity merger, forward triangular merger.
It's the reverse takeover.
Reverse takeover is wrong. The correct answer is forward triangular merger. That's too bad, man. You lose your double point streak, but you were on a roll. Alright, you should have used your second chance, Keshav.
Okay, yeah, नको that.
No worries. Rohan, last question of this round for you. From Venture Capital. In 2022, which Baiju's competitor raised $350 million in venture debt to finance its M&A plans? Topper, Vedantu, Eruditus, Brainly.
I'll go with B, Vedantu.
Vedantu. That's wrong. The correct answer is Eruditus. Keshav, if I'm right, this is the company your fund invested in, right?
Yes, it is.
So you knew this
Also,
one,
technically,
probably.
yeah, it's not competing with Byju's, but I think that's fine it's in the tech space. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, guys, that was the end of our first round. Okay, fellas, Keshav is in the lead. Rohan, I think you will catch up coming up in the next few rounds. So, how are we feeling about the game so far? Keshav, any question caught you off guard? Or you were on a roll, right?
No, I think the last question got me off guard.
How about you, Rohan?
Yeah, I think a couple of questions. I think the Baiju's one really caught me off guard because I thought Vedantu was kind of in the similar space. So I think that was my best guess. But yeah.
I see. I think the figures would have given you more of a clue as to what I was pointing towards. But alright, no problem. Okay, guys, I think we're a bit warmed up now. Let's jump into our next round, Vendetta. Alright guys, this is our second round. In this round, there are 5 questions each, 15 seconds on the timer, 1 point for each correct answer, very similar to our first round. However, the twist in this round is, if you get your question wrong, then your opponent can choose to step in and answer that question. Now, if they get it right, it's +1. If they get it wrong, it's -1. So it's a risk that they have to consider.
Yeah.
Alright?
And I have hijacked from the first round, right? The first round winner.
That's correct. I was gonna give it to you. Thanks for reminding me. Beautiful. Okay, Rohan, you still have your hijack left, so that's good that you were wise about saving it. Cool. All right, let's start this round with Rohan. First question from World Politics. In 2001, 4 countries formed BRIC until 2010 when they became BRICS. What's the latest country to join this group? Now, Rohan, this is your second chance question. Do you want to see the options or not?
No, I don't want to see the options. I think it's South Africa.
South Africa. It's correct. Awesome. You knew that. Beautiful. Can I ask how you knew that? Because there's not a lot of people who know that.
Yeah, actually for work, we do a lot of work with analyzing emerging markets, and BRICS is, part of the whole deal. So I have studied them extensively over the past few years. So
Awesome. Awesome. That's cool. Keshav, did you know that?
I actually thought it was Singapore, so it's good that the question wasn't for me.
Nice. Cool. All right. Next question's for you, Keshav. From marketing. So which company's tagline is "Make every second count"? Keshav, since you already have a second chance, I'm not gonna give you a second chance in this round. I'll show you the options straight away.
Sure.
Rohan, do you want to hijack this?
No, not right now.
Wise man. Blinkit, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter.
Is it TikTok?
TikTok is correct. Awesome. Keshav, awesome, man. Okay, Rohan, I forgot to give you your points last question. Let me give you that one to you. Let's put the next question to you. From Venture Capital. What clause in an M&A agreement can restrict the target company from soliciting competing bids from other potential buyers? Keshav, you want to hijack?
No, I think it's an easy one.
All right. Non-competing, no shop, bidding gate, moat.
A, non-competing.
Non-competing is wrong. Keshav, do you want to answer this? Oh, you have your second chance, Rohan. You want to use your second chance?
Yeah, I think I'll use it.
Okay.
It's no shop.
All right. No shop is correct. Awesome. You saved yourself again. That puts you on a double point streak. Beautiful. All right, Keshav, next question's for you. From Venture Capital. So which of the following cannot be true for a safe note? No discount rate, no interest, contains maturity date, contains valuation cap.
So it's A, no discount rate.
No discount rate is wrong. Do you want to use your second chance?
Cannot be true for a safe note. Yeah, I'll use my second chance.
All right.
So it's B, no interest.
No interest is wrong. Ooh. All right, interesting. Rohan, this opens up the question for you. What would you like to answer this?
Yeah, I think it's C, majority date.
Maturity date. That's right. All right, Rohan. Beautiful. 2 points for you. Hey, you almost caught up. Beautiful. All right. Next question's for you, Rohan. From economics. According to IMF, US is leading the ranks with the highest GDP in the world, followed by China. Who has the third largest? Keshav, hijack or no?
Yeah, I'll use hijack.
All right. Rohan, this is your hijack question. Canada, Germany, India, Japan.
I would go with D, Japan.
Japan. Keshav, do you think this is right?
Yes, this is the right answer.
Awesome. Good stuff, Rohan. Rohan takes the lead. Good stuff. All right, Keshav, next question's to you. From sports. What is the German football league called? Rohan, do you want to hijack this?
Yeah, I'll hijack.
Alright, Rohan hijacks this. Keshav, this is your hijack question. You look nervous. Let's find out if you know the answer. Serie A, La Liga, Bundesliga, Superliga.
Is it B, La Liga?
La Liga. That's wrong. Oh boy. Well played, Rohan. Do you want to answer this one?
Yeah, it's C, Bundesliga.
Bundesliga is correct. All right, 2 more points. Rohan's quite happy with his performance in this round. I told you. All right, Keshav, you will catch up. Don't worry. Next question's for Rohan. From movies and TV. So which Bollywood celebrity is an investor in Nykaa and Stylecracker and has their own sustainable clothing startup? Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Anushka Sharma.
It's C, Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Wrong. Oops. Keshav, do you want to answer this one?
Yeah, so it's A. Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt is right.
Oh man. Okay.
Keshav, good one. Rohan, you lose your double point streak. That's too bad. But never mind. Next question's for you, Keshav. From Venture Capital. What company was this prominent Indo-American VC a co-founder in? I'll show you an image, identify the person, and tell me what he co-founded. Do you want to see it again?
Yeah, can I answer without options? I get a second chance.
Unfortunately, no, but I'll show you the options. You can answer them.
Yeah.
Wipro, Sun Microsystems, Oracle, Mindtree.
So it's B. Sun Microsystems.
That's correct. Good one. Keshav, that puts you on a double point streak. This is getting intense, guys. Have I mentioned already? You guys are almost neck to neck. How did you know that one, Keshav?
I mean, it's Vinod Khosla. It's a very. In fact, I'm reading one of his. I think a biography or something also on him. So I knew about that. And Khosla Ventures is very prominent VC fund which he has.
Yeah. Good stuff. All right. Next question's to you, Rohan, and this is the last question of this round for you. Venture capital. In 2021, Swedish battery company Northvolt AB raised an eye-watering round of 2.75 billion. Which car company co-led the round? Your options are Ford, Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors.
General Motors.
General Motors. I think you came in the nick of time, but this is wrong.
Oh.
All right, Keshav, do you want to answer this one?
It's B. Toyota.
B. Toyota is wrong. Oh, that's -1 for you. The correct answer is Volkswagen.
Oh, yeah.
Interesting.
Yep. Keshav, you lose your double point streak. That's too bad. We're all right. Last question of the round for you, Keshav. From accounting. Until 2002, there were the big 5 accounting firms. Which one went defunct? Grant Thornton, Arthur Anderson, Smith & Williamson, Moore Stephens.
So it's B. Arthur Anderson.
Arthur Anderson is correct. Good one. All right, guys. That was the end of our second round. Okay, that was the end of our second round. It got intense there, I'm not gonna lie. 8 and 10, that's still close. Rohan's in the lead this time. And yeah, Keshav, how are you feeling so far?
I mean, this was a crazy round for me. So, so that.
All right, Rohan, how do you feel in the lead?
Yeah, very excited, and I think the questions were really interesting as well. So great.
Guys, let's end the conversations. Let's jump into our last round where it's going to get even more intense, the public hanging. All right, guys, last round. 15 questions, 15 seconds on the timer, 1 point for each correct answer. In this round, I will pose questions to the both of you. Whoever answers first gets the point. And in this round, there are no power-ups, no builders, no burners. So you guys can keep guessing until one of you says the correct answer. So let's see who wins this one. Are we ready, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Biggest IPO in Indian history.
This is Coal India.
Until recently. No. LIC.
I see.
Coal India was the one before LIC. All right, next question. What colorful body of water separates Saudi Arabia from Africa? You guys can keep guessing. Throw some names out there.
Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea.
No.
Pacific Ocean.
Red Sea. Colorful body. But never mind. Next question. Google acquired this mobile company's assets for 12 billion and sold to Lenovo for 3 billion.
Motorola.
Motorola.
Motorola's right. I think Rohan got this one. Next question. Identify this VC firm, biggest public company in Africa and largest shareholder in Tencent.
This is Prosus Ventures.
Nope. No. Naspers.
Nasdaq.
All right. Next question. Largest stock exchange in Europe.
FTSE. FTSE.
Nope.
London Stock Exchange.
No. Euronext. Just keep throwing guesses, guys. Maybe you hit up on the right one.
Yeah.
Next question. What kind of doctor studies the kidney?
Endocrinologist.
No, not. But close. Nephrologist. I guess I'm giving some hard questions, aren't I? My bad. Next question. What is a type of FDI where a company starts operations in a foreign country from scratch? Greenfield investing. Next question. Who was the sole VC investor in WhatsApp in both its Series A and B?
Sequoia Capital.
Sequoia's right. Good. Next question. Which artist or band has sold the most records ever?
Michael Jackson.
Close.
Backstreet Boys. Coldplay.
Go more 60s.
Brian Adams.
Elton John.
The Beatles.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, next question, guys. What is the full form of Sensex?
Sensitivity Exchange.
You gotta say the whole thing. You're close.
Sensitivity Exchange Index.
Not quite. Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. That's too bad. You were close though. Alright, next question. What type of public company is specially created to acquire or merge with an existing company?
Shell company.
Close.
SPAC, special purpose acquisition vehicle.
SPAC is correct. Rohan gets there. Next question. What is the chemical name for salt?
Iodine.
Nope. No?
Potassium sulfate.
I think it's time to hit the chemistry books again. It's sodium chloride.
Thank you. Chemistry.
Next question, guys. Which 2021 offshore leak exposed the widespread financial corruption of global elites?
Panama Papers.
Panama Gate.
No, close. 2021. The one after that.
Cambridge.
It's Pandora Papers.
Oh.
Panama was the one before Pandora. Close again, Keshav. Close again. All right, next question. The simple formula for enterprise value method is market cap
Plus
plus
Minus cash.
debt is correct. Keshav gets there. All right, last question, guys. Why didn't Jesus need VCs?
Because he was going to be crucified.
No, this is just a joke from my side. He had angels. Alright, that was a bad one, but I had to put that in. Alright guys, that was the end of our final round. The scores are in. Who do you think won?
I think Rohan won.
Keshav, are you sure?
I think Keshav had more answers in this round, so I think he's taking the lead.
Oh boy, I can't wait to find out. Alright, let's see who won this episode of Dead Heat. Alright, it is Rohan. Well done. Yeah. Go Rohan, dude, you made a comeback. Well done. Awesome. Keshav, how are you feeling, man?
Good. I think it was quite exciting and a very different kind of show. So love to be a part of it, and I think it was quite intense and really liked Rohan as an opponent because I think from first to second round there was a complete reversal of fortunes, right? So that was an interesting one, but a very interesting sort of format.
Cool. But this is an obligatory part of our show. We have to console you a little bit. Keshav, next time when we have you, I'm gonna make you win. I'm gonna make sure you win. Alright? For those of you watching at home, please check out a Junior VC where Keshav and his team are providing original content and valuable insights from entrepreneurship and venture capital. Also check out Keshav's personal blog where he's documenting his experience as a venture capitalist. And if you're a founder out there looking to raise funds, you need help with your strategy or your pitch deck, reach out to Rohan on TalkMate for a one-to-one consultation session. Alright guys, that was the end of our show. If you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel and follow us on our socials for some cool trivia and some dank memes. I'll see you in the next episode of Dead Heat. Cheers. Thank you, Keshav. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you.
Thanks so much,
you.
DJ. Great to be
It was
here.
amazing.